Hey, what's up bros, it's Fonte here. And as you know, most Xiaomi phones today support super fast charging speeds, 90 watts, even up to 120 watts on some models. But here's the catch, your phone doesn't actually charge at those maximum speeds out of the box. Why? Xiaomi limits the speed to protect your battery's health over time. This is because fast charging usually heats up the device, which could potentially decrease the battery health of the device over time. But what if you need that extra speed? Good news, you can unlock your phone's full charging potential in just a few easy steps. No rooting, no hacks. And in today's video I will show you how to do it. So without further ado, let's roll baby! On your Xiaomi phone, find and tap the Settings app, scroll down and select the Battery menu, and now look for and tap on Charging Options. In Charging Options, tap Wired Charging and select Top Speed. For this to work, use the original fast charging cable and the adapter that came with your phone. Charging will be faster of course if you keep the screen off during charging. So bros, if you enjoyed the video, like the video, share the video, and as always, stay safe, Fonte here.
Do